Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to register your business online. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. So the first thing you have to do is go to google.com/business. So that's on how to get there, on how to register your business. When you get it, to visit to this homepage. The first thing you have to do is to click on sign in. So click on sign in. So as you can see, it says get your business discovered on Google search, maps, and more. So what you just have to do is enter a free business detail to get started. So what your business name is all about. I know that you already have a business name already before you can say you want to register a business online. So whether you are rendering a service or you're selling or you own a store, whatever service you are, and you can just input the name of your business. My name is my tech. So create a business. So click on continue. So you choose your business type, whether select all that apply to any tech. So you can choose everything. Your business needs to customers, yeah. So customer can use your business in places, sure. So customer can purchase product through your website. Yeah. So you can choose all the options. I mean, there's one that only apply to your service or whatever you're selling or rendering. You have to just choose it. So click on next. You can add your online store. Maybe you already own a store already, like you have a web store. You can put the link of your web store here. So if you don't have, you can just skip it. So it's not necessary for you to input it. Then when you have your own website, then you can also input that. So click on it. So enter a business category. What your business belongs to. The category your business belongs to. So um, so let's make use of data section. So business. I can make use of website design. So as you can see, you can change and add more later. So click on next. So enter your business address. Yeah, yeah, I'm located in Nigeria. So address. Okay, so this state. So up to input your states. Yeah. So click on next again. So whether you're in another country, you can also choose where you're from. So is this your business? It's like your business might already have a business profile on search or maps. if you see your business is like this and you can improve, no, it's not mine. So click on next. So in this where you put your phone number. So the reason you put your phone number is for reason of verification. So add your phone number. Let's customer get in touch by including your phone number on the business profile. Yeah. So whether you're in another part of the country, then you can just choose your country. So click on next. So put your business on the map. Yeah. Start connecting your customers across Google. So get news and tips on how to improve your business profile. Yeah. Get invitation to participate in innovation. Yeah. So select everything. Then you click on continue. Then as you can see, you're now verified. You can reply to the response on chat. Yes. Click on next. Then add your service. So select the service or your as a website designer. So like adding more service. So it's so you can also add a custom service and put like graphics design. So I can also add like social media manager. So you can add more than this. Like so like commerce experts, and drop shipping. So you can add more. So then click on next again. So you add your business hours. So it is now fill everything always open every day. So always open Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's all day. Then click on next again. I provide a okay and you provide it in 24 hours. So you need 24 hours, 24 hours. You only selecting time from 1 hour to 24 hours. We don't like to work for 24 hours already. So click on next. So add your business description. So this is where you put what your business is all about. So I think I already have one. So I'll make use of this. So click on next. So add photos of your business, show of your business or service, and let customers fit inside your business. So you can just link the business or like just like a logo of your company or your service all over your business type. So you can do that. So people normally use their logos like logo of their business. Yeah, I will make use of this in this somehow. So you can later customize the profile when you are done setting everything up. So advertise easily when it gets started, or you can also skip it if necessary. So as you can see, get a custom domain name for your website and custom email address. your new company, can try it if you are interested. But your edit will be visible once you are verified. So let's keep on continue. So as you can see, I'm already verified on Google. As you can see the verification. So verified. So this is my location, like my Google map. So say like I also add a photo in case it is needed. Yeah. So click on save. Then when everything is done, so it will remove from pending. Then you are done with your business. So this is how you sign up on Google, register a business online. So if this video is really helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel and like my and share it. Thanks for watching. Good day, everyone.